are new here, hi honey, my name is Jasmine. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Because we're trying to get the channel to 500 subscribers. Well, not trying. We're going to get the channel to 500 subscribers, okay? And if you're returning, I want to thank you so much for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, y'all. Alright, now let's get into this video. I don't know if anybody else felt like this, but as an African American, I had a hard time feeling like I fit in with the rest of America because, you know, all of the violence that's going on, the hate crimes against us, and let alone, you know, just, I don't know, being African American in America, I just felt lost. I felt like I didn't belong here, knowing the history of everything. I was taught the history young, actually, in school. My history teacher made sure that we knew our history and everything that went on with us. So yeah, I just always felt like, I don't know, I did not belong, exactly. If anybody else ever felt like that, I know y'all understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, the reason why y'all came here, my Ancestry results. So first, before I tell you guys the results, I'm gonna explain the process of how everything worked. So I got my Ancestry kit for Christmas. I was so excited. I always wanted to try to see, like, you know, where I was from. I just wanted to feel connected to something, you know? So the first thing you do, you open the box and you have a testing tube. Now you have to spit in this tube and you have to fill up the line with saliva, and it cannot be any bubbles, which was, girl, was a struggle. I was like, come on now, how much you need, baby? I don't know. But yeah, so you had to spit in the saliva cup, and don't worry about having a box to mail it back to Ancestry, because they actually provide a box, which I think is so nice, y'all. So you don't have to worry about a label, none of that. They give you the box, you just close it, and that's it. You send it back to where it came from. I activated my kit on the 29th, and I can imagine that I sent it the next day. Let me see. I activated my kit on the 29th of December, and they received my kit on July 12th. So yeah, I was so anxious at this point. They began analyzing my results. Then I got the email saying that my DNA has made its way through the queue on the 23rd of January, and then on the 24th they said they're extracting your DNA, and then on February 2nd they were analyzing my DNA, and then February 2nd my results were in. So it was, I don't know, it was a long time for me. It felt like a really long time because I was just so anxious to know my results, because like I said before, I don't know, as an African American, I always felt like I didn't really fit in or belong with the rest of the Americans. So yeah, let's get into the results. Alright y'all, so here are my results. See, you probably can't see it, my screen is all cracked, but I'm gonna read it off anyway. So I always felt like I was from Nigeria. I don't know why, but I just always felt like I was Nigerian or something. I just could feel it. So of course, I'm 31% Nigeria. And then after Nigeria is Cameroon, and that's 29% Cameroon. And then Benin, I hope I'm not saying this wrong, but Benin, that was 13%. And then we have Mali, 11%. England and Northeastern Europe, 4%. Y'all know what that means. If you know, you know. And then Senegal, hope I'm saying that right, 3%. Ivory Coast, 2%. Sweden, I was shocked by that one. Sweden, 2%. Scotland, 1%. And then I also got Indigenous American, 1%. Norway, 1%. Indigenous Eastern South America, 1%. And Southern Bantu peoples, 1%. And I'm going to do like a screen record so I can show you guys like all that the app tells you. It's actually pretty interesting. So let me go to my phone. Alright, so as you can see, it has like a map of where your DNA traced to. I think that is so cool. Alright, and then here's a percentage. It tells you a story behind where your DNA traced to, like the area, in case you're not familiar with it. I thought that was really interesting because, you know, I just feel like African Americans, like, stories get lost, and it's just so much that we just don't know. So I really appreciated this app. Like, it was a good gift. Thank you, Mom. It's so funny because my dad always said that we were Native Americans. And I'm like, yeah, okay. You know how I feel like black people always try to say they're Indian or something, right? But it says these lands were home to a vast array of Native American groups. So it might be some truth to that. But that was only 1%. So yeah, that's just how the ad look. And it also shows you like matches with people. I'm not gonna click on that because I don't want to tell nobody business. But yeah, very interesting. I wish there was a way I could dig more into this. Like, I would love to know like what language or what tribe, you know, all type of stuff. But for now, I'm gonna go off of this. And yeah, maybe I can find a way to look more into that. If I do, I would definitely let you guys know if anybody is interested. But anyway, that would be the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.